can I tell you something that is a very popular thing that happens to the 787 sometimes? I'll give you a little bit to guess. But I'll tell you it when I'll tell you what it is when we come to land. Well, if you guess nose gear collapse or failure, you would be correct. Well, 787, well, from what I heard, the 787 has not had a nose gear failure lately, but FedEx A300 did. So, yeah. But, yeah. 787 has gear collapse. This is not going to be butter, because 1, this float, and 2, I'm very off of the center line. Oh, never mind. We're a bit on the center line. There we go. And slide off the runway. Oh my god, stop! 787, stop! Oh, I accidentally had to make that guy go around. Sorry, dude.